Hello everybody, this is Outdoor Explorer. I thought I'd make a little short video of just tell you who I am and give you a little insight about my project that I'm currently trying to show on YouTube. I got quite a few videos, but the editing is what takes so long because I'm rather new at all this stuff. But hey, gotta try new stuff. Like they said, every day you should learn something new. But anyways, yeah, I've been heavy in the outdoors since, geez, I was basically a little kid. I My squirrel is back. I've been feeding him part of my lunch. But anyways, yeah, I've been out in the outdoors lots. Basically, I started when I was about 8, right after I recovered from leukemia, and my love for it started pretty much then. I used to play lots out in the bush, making little tree forts, everything a little country boy like I could do. And well, it just grew from there. Yeah, I got my quad, started doing lots of exploring out in the bush with it, on old trails, and locating old trapping sites and cabins, and following some old trading routes back in the day. I found out that there was actually an old fort around here somewhere. Still have never found it yet. I'm hoping one day it'll show up. Well, I'll find it, or somebody will, and let me know. But, well, as for myself, sorry, I got a little friend here. I can't get him on the camera. He's scared of when I point the phone at him. He runs out into the bush, so I'm hoping he'll come close enough where I can get him on the camera. But, okay, but anyways, yeah, I actually live in a small little community. We do lots of, well, basically, it's a small little community. There ain't much to it, but it's out right against a parkland, so we get there's lots of stuff to do out there, hiking, fishing, whatever. Like, yeah, there's tons of, well, I'm fortunate, there's 2 rivers that run by my place, which have lots of fish in them. And there's a bunch of lakes, but sadly there's no fish. They're just what they call a swamp lake. So there's no oxygen in it. Some people have tried before, but they aren't deep enough to hold fish. And, geez, there's quad trails, there's everything out here. This is basically my little paradise. So, back to myself, I work on a little farm. Not very big, it's a little bit bigger than a hobby farm. We raise cows and do a little bit of grain and all that fun stuff. I also am a volunteer firefighter for our community. It's we aren't very big, but we get a lot of calls, and it's a fun experience. I really suggest that it's something that everybody should or not everybody, but if you're interested, join it. You'll learn lots. It's always a fun working with a bunch of guys and girls. Yes, And like I said, it's overall it's a fun experience. You get to learn things you never learned before, and you can use that in everyday life too. I am also a search and rescuer. We it's not based in my community. It's a little bit farther away, but still though, it's we do lots of work for the whole region. And once again, it's another fun experience. You learn that one there, that group. I've learned a heck a lot more about outdoor survival and everything. It even got me interested in canoes and that, which I just actually recently bought one, which I'm excited to try out here the next little while. Probably won't put that on film though the first try, because it's a new one to me. So if it was one of the older canoes I borrowed from my friends, I'd probably use it, or take a video of it. But that's about. I don't want to embarrass myself too much. It'll probably make a good video, but yeah, So yeah, I've learned lots. I've learned swift water rescues. I've learned bush survival, first aids, everything through them, which I put to good use around here in all my exploring. But as for my squirrel just fell in my bag. Yeah, he's trying to drag it away. I think I can. No, he ran away. But okay, yeah, it's like I said. Join a search and rescue group or join your local fire department. I guarantee it's an exciting and interesting our occupation. But anyways, yeah, last a little bit about my cabin build. I started, well, 2 years ago I got interested into building one, but at the time, sadly, things didn't line up. The stars didn't line up quite right, and I had to put it off. And then last year I had some stuff ready for it, but because of the weather, which was really horrible last year, we had non-stop rains, I couldn't start on it. I did a little bit of work though on the grounds, which I think I got some videos and pictures. I have to look back. I'll share them. If I do, I'll share them with you. But yeah, so finally this spring everything lined up and I found what I needed and I started going on it. So I'm excited about that. Once again, I am I like to build, but I have very little experience in building big structures like this, and some of the techniques I'm going to be using. So I'm hoping they work out. If not, well, I just have to find a way to make things work. But yeah, I'm hoping to have it done this year. I should have. The way everything's going up, it won't take very long. I think the only thing that's going to hold me back is the rafters, which I think my dad is going to help me with. But as for the rest, I'm pretty much trying to do it all myself, just so that I can. Yeah, it's more of a self goal kind of thing to show that I prove to myself I can do it. Because, like I said, I had leukemia when I was small, and I beat that, which I'm quite happy about. Well, not happy, I'm over the moon about. And then but when I was 21, was diagnosed with a heart problem, which was a big shocker. I thought everything was going to end, but with today's technology and all that, I pulled through. Now I got a defibrillator, which surprisingly I don't even realize I have it some days because I feel so good. The the doctors gave me a clean bill of health after that was installed. Told me I can basically run after or chase a racehorse if I want to, but I told him why would I want to chase a racehorse when there's hundreds of other things I could chase? But a little humor there, but yeah. Then after that, I was diagnosed with diabetes. Well, about 6 years ago, I think it was, and that's been an interesting road. Every day is a battle on that one. Things don't quite how to put that. Every day something new is with it. Nothing serious. It's just controlling your numbers. That's not fun. But so yeah, I decided, what the hell, might as well do something with my life, or do something, prove that hey, I can do whatever anybody else can do, and not maybe not better, but try to at least. But anyways, I thought I'd create this channel and share some of my experiences, build my cabin, and some of my life adventures, and which I hope, which I will be adding soon. It's just this year I haven't had any time to go on much hiking or that. I went on a canoe trip, but couldn't film it because it was actually a course, so the instructor wouldn't let me film it. But yeah, I'm hoping to show more of my daily adventures and after this, and show you my bill as I progress on this cabin, which, like I said, it's going to be fun. And also I like to do some reviews on some things I bought over the years, which I find really beneficial and actually pretty good buys. Well, there's some that I wish I didn't buy, but there's always those experience, or always that you have to experience before you know it's no good. But yeah, that's basically the goal of this channel. Like I said, more things might come up eventually that I want to add on, and when I do, if I think it's worthy of it, I will pull them up. So I hope everybody enjoys it, and and follow along my story. So, okay, good day, and see you soon. Bye.